Hello, what's happening, guys? Good morning, YouTube. You've tuned into Rules for Rebels, and we are back with another episode of Weird Products Daily. In this daily series, we show off cool gadgets, interesting items, impulse buy type items, and overall just weird products. Today's example is a more functional one and kind of falls into the survival outdoors camping niche, which is a hot one. We did another survival item a couple days ago with the zip stitch. If you didn't see that one, check it out. It was a cool video. The purpose of these videos is, one, just it's fun kind of looking at weird products, but more importantly, I think kind of watching stuff like this, seeing products like this, kind of gets those creative juices flowing. It gets you thinking about different niches that you might explore, either in your e-commerce business, with doing affiliate marketing, all different types of angles. Those of you guys who are drop shippers, I think a lot of these products appeal to drop shipping because they're impulse buy type items and items that people haven't seen before. And a lot of these products are really good in theory or really good concept, but don't really have great Amazon reviews. So one thing I often suggest is maybe find an idea here, go to a manufacturer on Alibaba, and try to find a way to improve it based on some shortcoming that the reviews tell us about. This product today seems to have pretty good reviews, and I'm guessing it's patented. This is a Leveraxe splitting axe, and this axe promises to help you split wood easily. And this is kind of what it looks like. I think the best way to kind of show you what this can do is just by showing you a video. So let's take a quick video of the Leveraxe in action. So if you've never actually tried to split wood before and you just see it in TV and on the movies, you may not appreciate this. For anybody who's ever actually split wood, it's not as easy as it looks. You watch TV shows and the guy just takes back the axe and hits a log and it just kind of splits open, and they keep doing it. When I bought my house, the neighborhood I live in has a bunch of like 70, 80-year-old trees. We got these huge trees. And whoever I bought my house from, I guess they had a couple large trees cut down a couple years prior, and they kept all the big stumps or blocks from when they I guess got this tree cut down. So after I ran out of firewood last year, I was like, I got all these big logs in the backyard. Went over to Home Depot, Menards, or whatever, bought myself an axe, and came home and realized that it's damn near impossible to split logs. Really, really difficult. You need like a wedge, and even then, it's a lot of work. It's really hard. You wind up getting wood bouncing in your face. This thing, it almost makes it look too easy, but it doesn't look like the videos were really doctored or anything, so I'll take their word for it that it is that easy. Looks like it makes splitting wood not only super easy, but splits the wood into kind of kindling chunks that are easy to kind of get lit or throw on a fire. So I thought this was an awesome product. Like I said, it falls into the kind of camping, outdoors survival niche, which is a popular one. So I thought this was pretty darn cool. If any of you guys have ever bought one of these, tried one of these, let me know, does it actually work as good as they say? It looks like it has pretty good reviews. Let's go on down to the reviews and questions here and see what people have to say. How well does it work on hardwood? I want to use it on black walnut. My husband has used it on madrone and said it works perfectly. Walnut will not be a problem. How would this axe? So pretty much people asking how does it work on this type of wood or that type of wood. Let's see. Performs as advertised, one of many tools used to accomplish this task, but the cost is out of line. Does what it says it will do, and is one of the many tools you will choose depending on your situation. My situation is that we had several huge trees taken out of our backyard. Some were 4 feet in diameter. So once they were cut down to 3-foot sections, they were very heavy and hard to move. Buying or renting a splitter were options, but I would have had to get the whole thing in the backyard, and if renting it, it would have had to work quickly to work through the huge volume of wood. Moving these large sections of wood would have been backbreaking, so to optimize, I gave this axe a try. It does what it claims. It was able to take large sections and turn them face up and cleave away at their outside, knocking off pieces as I went around with the axe until I got a piece to about 2 feet diameter section so that I could then lift it into the tire and finish the job. It works best with dry wood without knots, as does every splitter. Maybe that was my problem. I think my wood might have been wet. It is not hard to use and get the hang of, and I will note the technique is actually a lot less damaging to your forearms and wrists, as you essentially let it go as it is falling, and you quickly learn not to absorb the impact through your arms. So people are saying this thing actually works. Looks pretty neat. I'm guessing what that guy's one kind of critique was the price point. You know, $200 for $200 for a little axe like this. You know, I could go buy myself a nice chainsaw. But nonetheless, it does seem pretty cool. If the price came down, I would actually consider getting one for myself. But let me know what you guys think of this gadget. I thought it was pretty neat. If you enjoyed the video, thought this product was cool, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, do me a favor. I'm trying to hit that 100,000 mark and get my silver play button. Hit that subscribe button down below, as well as if you would like to see more episodes of Weird Products Daily. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.